Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to center text in Google Docs. This is very simple, so let me help you out. The first thing that you want to do is go to Insert. Here on Insert, you should be able to see Table. You need to add a one by one table because this is going to be how we center the text. Google Docs doesn't have a direct center text button for both vertical and horizontal alignment at the same time. So we can actually do this with a table instead. So let's write a text here in the middle. Now we're going to make it bold or do some text alignment here, make it bigger, and then put this in the middle. Now, since this is already centered horizontally, by using the alignment icon in here, let's center it vertically. What you want to do is go to the bottom of your table and drag this. So you'll just have to be careful not to go too far or you will push the table onto the next page. So there is a limit where it stays on the first page, so adjust it carefully. So just like this, it goes to another page. Let's head it back. Also make sure the spacing at the top and bottom of the page looks balanced. Now, right after, we'll just have to click on Format. Go to Table. Now scroll down, select Table Options or Table Properties. From there, go to Cell and change the alignment to Middle. As you can see, the text has been moved to the middle. This will place your text right already on the center of that table we have created. Now to make it look clean, you can hide the table borders in here. Here on the color, click on it. You could go ahead and remove the color by putting 0 here beside the color, or you could just simply click on this icon. And there you go. You've got your text perfectly centered on the page. And that is just basically how you center text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.